Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add products to cart on Amazon. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. In this guide, I'll learn you how to search for a product on Amazon and add it to your cart. This process is useful for efficiently finding and purchasing items you need. So how to do it? So first we have to open our Amazon. And in here, you can just search for the products that you want to add to your cart and you buy. Maybe for the example, I will choose this one. Now, to add this to your cart, you can just scroll down and you'll find there is some option add to cart. But before that, you can enter the quantity. Maybe you want to add to cart 2. Now tap on add to cart. So the product has been added to your cart. Place on your Amazon. It's so simple, right? You can check the cart in here. So here's all the product that you have added to your cart. So that is how to add products to your cart on Amazon. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.